If you could get you some little grease or something. All right, I'm gonna hold my phone. All right, see that? So you want to get that all the way where it's flush to right here, on my thumbnail there, right there. Get that to where it's always flush. Just keep pulling back on it. Okay. This gonna stop you from getting an intake leak or a vacuum leak. Make sure it's flush all the way around. Check the passenger side as well. Kind of hard to see. Damn it. For some of y'all know what I'm saying, man. Just make sure it's flush. You do not want a fucking vacuum leak, man. That thunderbolt come on your dashboard, it could cause an accident, or your engine performance can stop. Have a good